How to earn free gifts on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Temu app. Make sure you are signed in. And now go ahead and tap on the U option you see there on the bottom center of your screen. Now tap on the Earn Free Gifts and Credit option. You will then be shown with a bunch of options on how you can get free gifts. Simply tap on any of the following option. I will tap on Win Your Freebie option. You will then be required to pick your first gift. So, go ahead and pick your first gift. Simply tap on the Want This Gift button below the gift you want and further select the size, color, etc. of the product and then tap on the I Want This Gift button. Repeat the same process twice and once you are done picking 3 gifts, tap on the Confirm button you see there. Make sure that to confirm your gift, you will now have to invite friends to accept your invitation. Once your friends accept the invitation sent by you, you will receive the free stuff. Similarly, you can also tap on the other options and follow the on-screen prompts accordingly and win free gifts on Temu. So, this is how you can earn free gifts on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.